In order to add rapid fire to our rocket, we're going to modify our rocket script. So I'm going to open it in Visual Studio, and I'm going to do a bunch of steps here. So the first is when we hit the space bar right now, it'll shoot one rocket. I want to have a pause between the rockets so that it'll shoot three, but just a little bit of a delay between each one. In order to do that, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the bottom of my script before the last bracket. I can hit some enter, give myself some space, but it has to be after the closing bracket of the update function. And I'm going to type I enumerator, and I want to make sure I choose enumerator, not enumerable. So I enumerator, and I'm going to call it shoot. It is a method, so I need an open and close parentheses. I'm going to hit enter at the very end of the line, and I am going to give myself an open and close bracket. This, when we create an enumerator, it's a subroutine, or I'm sorry, a coroutine, and it's going to give you that red squiggly line until you add a particular line of code. And that's going to be yield, return, new, wait for seconds, and I'm going to do .2f. As soon as I add that line, that red squiggly will go away and we're okay. So it has to have that in there somewhere. Above that line, I am going to take my GameObject clone, these two lines that I have inside my input if condition statement on the spacebar. I'm going to cut those, Control X on the keyboard, and I'm going to paste them on top above the yield return new line. So now I have that. I'm going to go give myself another line underneath the yield return so that I have it before this close bracket, and I'm going to paste again, Control V. So now you're going to see it gives me a line. Clone is, since I already declared it up here, I can't have another one. I'm going to call this one clone 2. And then I'm going to make the speed one clone 2 as well, so it adds speed to the second rocket it instantiates. But now in my input statement, my update function inside the if condition, when I press the space bar, nothing happens because I removed those lines of code. So I'm going to add start coroutine. That's a method. I need parentheses. And then inside of double quotes, I'm going to type one double quote. It'll give me a pair of them. And in there, I'm going to call it shoot. Has to be a capital S if it's a capital S down here. Then I'm going to copy my yield return new, the bottom three lines. So all three of those lines, go to the end, hit enter. So that was Control C to copy, Control V to paste. And I'm going to make this one clone 3. And I'm going to set the speed of clone 3. So now when I press the space bar, I'm going to start my coroutine shoot. It's going to instantiate clone, shoot that forward, wait 0.2 seconds to instantiate clone 2, shoot that forward, wait another 0.2 seconds, etc. So now if I save my script, if I go back into Unity and I click play, when I press the spacebar now, it shoots 3 at a time.